Imagine transforming your financial future with a steady stream of monthly income. How? Through the power of investing in monthly dividend stocks. In the grand scheme of finance, these stocks are like the unsung heroes, quietly churning out consistent returns month after month. They're the financial equivalent of a reliable, well-oiled machine, providing a steady income stream that makes them an attractive choice for investors. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a newcomer to the world of stocks, these monthly dividend stocks can add a layer of stability to your portfolio. They can be the financial bridge that carries you over the turbulent waters of market volatility. They're not just stocks, they're opportunities for financial empowerment, for creating a future where you're not just surviving, but thriving. Now let's delve into 5 unstoppable monthly dividend stocks to add to your portfolio in 2025. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us and remember to comment and share. First on our list is Ellington Residential Mortgage REIT or EARN, a company that specializes in acquiring and managing mortgage-related assets. Now let's delve a little deeper into what sets EARN apart. EARN's unique business model is centered around the acquisition and management of mortgage-related assets. These include residential mortgage-backed securities or RMBS and residential whole loans. EARN has a keen eye for spotting profitable investment opportunities in these areas, which contributes to its robust performance. But what does this mean for you as an investor? Well, EARN's strategic investments result in a generous annual yield. In fact, for the year 2025, EARN boasts an impressive annual yield of 10.2%. That's right, 10.2%. Now you might be wondering how EARN manages to maintain such a high yield. The answer lies in the stability of the real estate market. Real estate is one of the most secure sectors to invest in, and EARN leverages this to full advantage. EARN's strategy involves investing in a diverse portfolio of mortgage-related assets. This diversity reduces risk and ensures steady returns, regardless of market fluctuations. It's a win-win situation for both EARN and its investors. But EARN isn't just about business strategies and investment portfolios, it's also about people. The team behind EARN consists of industry veterans with years of experience in the real estate and financial sectors. Their expertise and insight are instrumental in driving EARN's success. In a nutshell, EARN is more than just a stock. It's a company with a solid business model, a high annual yield, and a team of experts at the helm. It's a company that understands the real estate market and knows how to leverage it for consistent profits. With EARN, you're not just buying a stock, you're investing in a stable, high-yielding asset. So, if you're looking for a monthly dividend stock that offers both stability and impressive returns, EARN might just be the perfect fit for you. Next up, we have Horizon Technology Finance Corporation, or HRZN, a leading venture lending platform that provides capital to tech and life science companies. Picture this, a global platform that's not just riding the wave of technology and life sciences, but also fueling it. That's what HRZN is all about. It's a venture lending platform that has carved out a unique niche for itself. It's not just any finance corporation, it's one that has strategically placed itself in the heart of the tech and life science sectors. These sectors are the powerhouses of the modern world. They're the epicenters of innovation and advancement, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And when you invest in HRZN, you're investing in these sectors, you're investing in the future. But let's talk numbers for a bit. With an annual yield of 7.1%, HRZN is not just about potential, it's about performance. It's about tangible, measurable returns. And for a monthly dividend stock, that's a key factor. It's about the steady, consistent income that can help build a robust and resilient portfolio. HRZN's position in the tech and life science sectors also offers a unique growth opportunity. These sectors are ever evolving, always on an upward trajectory. They're driven by breakthroughs and discoveries, by the relentless pursuit of progress. And as they grow, so does HRZN. Its venture lending platform is designed to capitalize on the growth and advancement in these sectors. In a world where technology and life sciences are the driving forces, HRZN is a key player. It's a finance corporation that's not just part of the tech and life science sectors, but actively shaping them. It's a platform that's not just investing in companies, but investing in the future. So when you invest in HRZN, you're not just buying a stock, you're buying a piece of the future. You're buying into the promise of technology and life sciences and the potential they hold. With HRZN, you're investing in the future of technology and life sciences. Our third pick is Fifth Street Finance Corp, better known as FTCO. Unlike your traditional stock investment, Fifth Street Finance Corp operates as a business development company. But what does that mean? Well, it's quite simple. FTCO lends to and invests in small and mid-sized companies. Why should this interest you? Because this particular investment strategy targets the backbone of the economy. FTCO's focus on small and mid-sized businesses is not just about contributing to economic growth, it's about tapping into a market that is often overlooked but holds immense potential. The beauty of investing in FTCO lies in its diversified portfolio. This means that your investment isn't tied to the success or failure of a single company. Instead, it's spread across multiple businesses, providing a buffer against potential risks. And let's face it, in the world of investing, we could all use a little bit of a safety net. Now let's talk numbers. FTCO boasts an impressive annual yield of 9.5%. This presents a fantastic opportunity for investors seeking a steady income stream. Imagine the possibilities that come with monthly dividends rolling into your account, all thanks to your investment in FTCO. The potential of investing in small and mid-sized businesses is vast. These enterprises are the engines that drive innovation and create jobs. They're the establishments that serve your coffee, fix your car, and perhaps even make your favorite pair of jeans. By investing in FTCO, you're investing in these businesses and the people behind them. You're investing in the very fabric of our economy. To sum it up, Fifth Street Finance Corp offers more than just an investment opportunity. It offers a chance to support small and mid-sized businesses while enjoying a steady stream of income. FTCO is about believing in the potential of the underdog and reaping the rewards that come with it. FTCO offers the opportunity to invest in the backbone of the economy, small and mid-sized businesses. Our fourth contender is Itau Unibanco Holding SA, or ITUB, one of the largest banks in Brazil. The financial sector is a bedrock of any economy, and when it comes to Brazil, Itau Unibanco holds a significant role. This titan of the banking industry not only has a substantial presence in Brazil, but also expands its reach across Latin America. It's a key player in the region's economic growth, providing a range of financial services such as personal and corporate banking, credit services, and asset management to millions. Now let's talk dividends. ITUB is currently boasting an annual yield of 7.8%. That's right, 7.8%. This kind of yield is a testament to the bank's strong financial performance and commitment to rewarding its shareholders. It's the kind of yield that can provide a steady stream of income, making it a compelling choice for investors seeking robust monthly dividends. But the story doesn't end with dividends. When you invest in ITUB, you're investing in the burgeoning Brazilian economy and, by extension, the vast potential of emerging markets. Brazil is the largest economy in Latin America and the 9th largest in the world by nominal GDP. Its economic growth has been on an upward trajectory, and ITUB, with its vast network and diversified services, is well positioned to capitalize on this growth. It's also worth noting that ITUB has demonstrated resilience amid economic fluctuations. Its robust business model and prudent risk management strategies have allowed it to navigate the ebb and flow of economic tides, further cementing its status as a dominant player in the region. So, if you're keen on tapping into the growth potential of emerging markets and earning a steady stream of income while doing so, ITUB presents a compelling case. It's a blend of growth and income, the kind of investment that can add a new dimension to your portfolio. ITUB is your ticket to investing in the booming Brazilian economy. Last but not least, we have Stag Industrial Inc., or Stag, a real estate investment trust focused on the acquisition and operation of single-tenant industrial properties. This savvy player in the market has a unique business model that's built to thrive. By focusing on single-tenant properties, Stag reduces competition and increases occupancy rates, a strategy that's as smart as the stag it's named after. Now, let's talk dividends. Stag offers an impressive annual yield of 4.6%. That's a steady stream of income landing in your account every month, thanks to the stability of the industrial real estate market. Stag has made a name for itself by capitalizing on the industrial sector's resilience, especially in a world where e-commerce and logistics are king. By picking properties that are always in demand, Stag ensures consistent returns for its investors. Stag, is a solid choice for investors seeking steady income and long-term growth. So there you have it, 5 unstoppable monthly dividend stocks for 2025. EARN, HRZN, FTCO, ITUB, and Stag. Let's take a moment to look back at the annual yield each of these stocks offers. Ellington Residential Mortgage, REIT or EARN, for instance, is known to provide a generous yield that can significantly enhance your investment portfolio. Similarly, Horizon Technology Finance Corporation, also known as HRZN, has been a consistent player, offering steady dividends to its investors. Moving on, we have Fifth Street Finance Corp, or FTCO, another monthly dividend stock that has been turning heads with its impressive annual yield. And who can overlook Itau Unibanco Holding SA, or ITUB? This stock has been a game-changer for many investors thanks to its attractive dividend yield. Last but certainly not least, Stag Industrial Inc., or Stag, has been making waves in the industrial sector with its promising dividend yield. Investing in monthly dividend stocks like these 5 powerhouses can offer several potential benefits. For starters, it can provide a steady stream of income, which can be a significant advantage, especially during uncertain economic times. Moreover, these dividends can be reinvested to purchase more shares, leading to the magic of compounding, which Albert Einstein once described as the 8th wonder of the world. But it's not just about the immediate benefits. Investing in these monthly dividend stocks can also contribute to your long-term financial goals, helping you build a robust portfolio that can stand the test of time. It's about creating a financial safety net for yourself and your loved ones, and these 5 stocks could be the stepping stones to achieving that. Remember, investing is all about making your money work for you. So, subscribe, like, and share if you found this information valuable and start your journey towards financial freedom today.